In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Hugo Industries feed lips for the HSGI Double Decker taco pouches. All you really need is a flathead and you should be able to install these. I recommend putting your malice clips or WTF straps or whatever other method you use to attach this to MOLLE on here before installing the feed lips. It'll just be easier in the long run. So to start off, we'll just start here with the easiest one, which is the back piece. You'll be able to tell the difference between them. This is the back piece, this is the middle piece. So this one just goes in back here like that. And you'll notice you have these little hooks right here. Those will go in there and grab onto this material right there on the other side to make sure this doesn't come out. So just push it all the way in. Make sure to have the feed lip on the inside here. There you go. This is not going anywhere. It's actually pretty hard to remove once you put it on. There you go. All right. Then let's install the second easiest one, which is the front piece. So this just goes in here. Again, make sure that the lip is on the inside of the pouch. Push it all the way down. And then you'll notice here, so this right there is to grab onto the webbing. So you push it up while pushing down on the webbing. Much harder to do this on the camera. All right. I mean, actually, there you go. So what I actually did here, I kind of changed it up. I put the top one first. Doesn't matter which order, but in this case, it just, whatever, it was easier. So I put the top one in first, then you just push down. And kind of force this one on there. There you go. You can use your flathead here to kind of coax the webbing in there. So there you go. Now this is not going anywhere. So now we can install the middle one. So for this one, you want these hooks facing the pistol side of the pouch. So this is gonna go in here between this webbing and the paracord. All right, so you just stick it in there. You're gonna have to play with this to kind of get everything out of the way. Let me try to do this on camera here. There you go. And then this middle webbing right here, right, it fits between the two legs. It will actually go in there. So as you push it down, you may have to open up these lips here. As you push it down, you'll notice, see, the webbing is in there. So just push it down all the way. Make sure that this feed lip is inside here, and this one is inside right there. All right, and then now you're gonna grab this side and just push it off to the side like this. Don't worry, you're not gonna damage anything. And you're doing that in order to get in here. Let me try to get the lighting there. And just force the webbing into that hook that's right there. Luckily, you only have to do this once. There you go. So you can see the hook grabs on there. This is grabbing on up here. It's secure. So now you can come to this side and you can push this over to the side. And use your flathead, there you go. Push the webbing in. You can see it right there. All right. So it's grabbing on here, it's grabbing on that side. And now you can see all three are there. So when you insert your pistol magazine, this will open up, and your rifle, this will open up. and neither one of them will come loose over time. They're grabbing on there pretty tight. All right, so those are the Hugo Industries feed lips for the double decker taco.